Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to all. I hope that you are all well. Today I will discuss about a new topics, that is stupefying agents. It is the most important road poison in Bangladesh. Now first of all, what is stupefying agents? The agents which makes a man stupid. That is called stupefying agents. Common stupefying agents in Bangladesh are Dhutura, Cannabis indica, chloroform. Dhutura also known as diluents. Hallucinogens also known as cannabis indica, and chloroform anesthetics. Previously or old days, chloroform used to kidnap a person. Cannabis indica nowadays used as addicted poison, but most commonly used Dhutura as stupefying agents. Dhutura or Dhatura. It is a vegetable diluent type of cerebral poison. Poisoning results from ingestion of plants of genus Dhutura. Symptoms are parasympathetic in nature and in severe poisoning include central nervous system failure or depression, circulatory failure and respiratory depression. There are 15 species of Dhutura. Character of a Dhutura plant. We should know about the character of a Dhutura plant. Then we recognize the plant and its poisoning and its availability. They grow all over the world. All part of the plants are poisonous. Seeds and fruits are most poisonous. Seeds or fruits used to stupefy a person. Fruits are spherical, covered with spikes called thorn apple. Sometimes we call mad apple. Each fruit contains 450 to 500 seeds. Flowers are bell shape. Types of Dhutura plant. Dhutura fastuosa grows in plain land, that is in Bangladesh, commonly in Bangladesh. Dhutura alba, white colored plant, and Dhutura nigra, deep purple colored plant. But in hilly tracts, we found Dhutura stramonium or ginsenweed or angel trumpet mad apples, that is used for herbal medicine. Grows commonly hilly tracts. In Himalaya, most common Dhutura is stramonium. Toxic parts. All parts of the plants are poisonous, but fruits and seeds are most poisonous. What are the active principles which play a role in toxicity of Dhutura? Hyoscine, hyoscyamine, trace amount of atropine. Atropine produces sign symptom that can stupefy a person, that makes a man stupid. Fatal dose 0.6 to 1 gram, that means 100 to 125 seeds in crushed form. Always remember it's crushed form. Stupefying dose 30 to 50 seeds in crushed form. Fatal period within 24 hours. Absorption, Dhutura seeds are non-poisonous except is crushing form, because Dhutura seeds are not absorbed or digested by GI tract or it does not destroyed by HCl. So powder form is poisonous. Powder form is absorbed readily and produce sign symptoms. Mechanism of action, their action both central and periphery nervous system. Central nervous system, small doses stimulate higher center of the brain, which produce excitement, restlessness. Later is depress the CNS. Larger dose depress the CNS with respiratory depression. So smaller dose produce excitation, restlessness, but larger dose can produce a person coma or deep sleep. Peripheral action. Atropine blocks acetylcholine receptor of the neuromuscular junction, thereby decrease acetylcholine in the nerve endings, which produce sympathomimetic and parasympatholytic action. Sign symptom of Dhutura poisoning. Local effects. Locally, it can produce irritating effects on skin, producing itching and dermatitis. Systemic effects. We say about 10 Ds of Dhutura poisoning in systemic effects. Usually, we can remember it. Dryness of the mouth and throat, dysphagia, dysarthria, dry hot skin, diplopia, dilatation of the pupil, drunken gait, dysuria, delirium, and drowsiness. Other symptoms: congestion of conjunctiva, rapid 3D pulse is about 120 to 140 beats per minute, irregular respiration, vomiting, mental confusion, restlessness, talkativeness, hallucination. Cause of the respiratory depression. Excessive dose can cause respiratory depression. Morton signs. There are another sign symptoms described by book. The Morton sign: dry as bone, red as beet, blind as bat, hot as hair, mad as wet hen. Dry as bone. Why dry as bone? Dry skin, hot constipation, urinary retention. They causes dry like bone of the human body. Red as beet, flushing of face due to vasoconstriction. Blind as bat, resulting from mydriasis diplopia. Mydriasis means dilatation of the pupil. Hot as hair, atropine temperature that exceeds 108 degree Fahrenheit. Mad as wet hand, agitation, restlessness. Management of Dhutura poisoning. Firstly, airway, breathing and circulatory management. Then airway clearance, assist ventilation if necessary, hospitalization, stomach washed with normal water or potassium permanganate solution within 2 hours after ingestion, because after 2 hours Dhutura can be absorbed in the systemic circulation. So stomach wash has no use or little use. Purgatives, that means defecation, increased defecation or stimulate defecation. Emetics, that means vomiting, the agents which induce vomiting. Specific antidote, physiological antidote, that is physostigmine and neostigmine. Physostigmine is more effective than the neostigmine. Pilocarpine nitrate is the next one drug. Delirium controlled by short-acting barbiturate, because Dhutura produce delirium that may be controlled by barbiturate. Hyperparexia, that means 108 degree Fahrenheit temperature can be controlled by antipyretics and cold sponging. Catheterization if urinary retention occurs. Symptomatic management. Postmortem findings: external signs of asphyxia, that means cardinal signs, congestion, cyanosis, tardospore, etc. Internal: stomach, fragments or seeds of Dhutura may be found in the stomach. Stomach mucosa may be found inflamed. All internal organs are congested. Dhutura delays putrefaction, so it can be detected from decomposed body. Even highly putrefaction body, we can detect Dhutura. Medical legal importance is commonly as stupefying agents for robbery and kidnapping. It can be mixed with food, drink, tea, betel leaf, cigarette. Hence, it is also known as road poison. It is also known as road poison because it can mix with ordinary food or street food. Accidental poisoning may occur in case of young children by mistaking of Dhutura fruit as fruits. Non-pharmacology used by Kobiraj, Hakim and Quack physician, they use as herbal medicine. It can be used by abortifacient. It is said that it is used as love filter for aphrodisiac poison, but it has little value. Common site where stupefying poison is common, where railway station, that means public gathering place, railway station, bus station, steamer or launch ghat, mela, dharmashala, places of public gathering. How can we understand the patient was poisoned by Dhutura by external symptoms without any systemic examination? That means ludicrous movement or pin rolling movement. Whenever you see the pin rolling movement of a patient, then we confirm that the patient is poisoned by Dhutura. In this symptom, the patient is in excitement, talkativeness, the patient may be silent, but usually he is noisy and tries to run away from the bed and pick up the bed clothes, try to pull out the imaginary threads from the tips of the fingers or threads of imaginary needles. They are all produced by small doses, because small doses used to facilitate robbery or kidnapping or stupefying a person. Large dose can cause deep sleep or coma. Common poison that retards or delay putrefaction: arsenic, Dhutura, yellow oleander, endrine. Another important things, sometimes we mistake Dhutura seeds from capsicum seeds. There are two different things. Dhutura seeds, large, thick, capsicum seeds, small, thin, shape, Dhutura kidney shape, Dhutura seeds kidney shape, capsicum seeds rounded shape, color, dark brown, yellow color capsicum seeds, odorless, pungent odor, bitter taste, pungent taste, and there are many more differences. Now I will conclude my lectures. Next day I will discuss another new topics. Till now, Allah Hafiz. May Allah bless us. Thank you very much.